Please.
Mama.
Okay, so I'm going to read it. Says Samuel to Olivia.
Samuel plus Olivia. That's Samuel and Olivia.
So we thank God for everything.
So, God, wait.
God has done it for us one more time.
It says, okay, tell.
I'm going to read for us.
Happy New Home.
You're gonna be showing it to the camera.
Happy New Home.
Yeah, Happy New Home. It says Happy New Home. So, Mama, do you want to read?
Yeah. To Samuel to Olivia. Congratulations on completing your new investments. We wish you a
I don't even know what she's. Handwriting is a little bit tricky. We wish you all
me best from Olivia to the
okay. Say from
Strawberry fans team.
yeah, so be facting. What just so you try?
You
because
tried,
the
well
handwriting
done.
is not like you guys
The
can
handwriting
see.
is not that great.
Yeah, so I'm sorry for
Wait,
guys.
let me try this out. Pop.
So guys,
It's time to open the gift box.
Whoa.
Present for us.
Whoa.
so
Whoa. Is this for me?
Avant home bag. Oh, we have
What's that? Is that chocolate?
yeah.
Chocolate, my favorite.
Salted,
too.
but I think it's biscuits, yeah.
I hate that chocolate.
And we'll have spa day. I think what's this? Home fragrance. And
There's a lot in there.
And what's
oh. Lemonade.
And
we
Teddy.
didn't come with glass cups.
We didn't come with any cup.
And Teddy?
And this Avant Home
Teddy. Don't you ever complain about that?
You're hiding it from me.
Yeah, because I don't want to
And
complain.
this is for cleaning the house. Yeah, and
Hang on a minute, let's undo it.
And what's in here? Let's
So,
open it up,
we
Mom.
don't have glass cups here, so let's eat our biscuits. So we just take the biscuit and eat.
In the first house.
Let's eat some biscuits. I'm sweating.
Your house is roasting.
Mommy.
Use your right hand, Mama Chimsi.
Now we're going to eat biscuit.
Thank you, my love.
You're
Yeah.
welcome. So guys, it feels like a new home.
We are really happy.
I'm making it home.
We are going home.
What pizza?